extreme parrot washing because now this is my parrot Charlie, and yesterday he was calling me an asshole, so I've had to wash his mouth out with soap to teach him a little lesson. That's because he's drinking the water now, look. Yeah, daft bastard, don't drink the water. He'd like a nice bath. Do, Charles. Don't drink the water now. So he opens his wings up to let it all get down. And then he'll clean himself up after that. See, like that lot. Charlie, my darling. Hello. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. That's enough now? Go to bed. So Charlie now, you've had a lovely shower and he's really happy. And I'm going to put him back in his cage. Look at me. And there we are. Put you back in here now. And as you can see, it's called extreme parrot washing because I always get a couple of nicks. But that one actually went quite well. Now, we know when he wants a shower because he splashes water out of his water bowl all over the place. It goes all over the floor, all over the walls. And when he does that, I know he needs a shower.